Hello, welcome to Glam by Noel. This channel inspires you with the latest fashion trends and more. So if you're new here, kindly go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification button. Ankara is one of the most adaptable fashions, suitable for a wide range of occasions. Ankara dresses are ideal for work, special occasions, and even informal get-togethers. In this video, we'll show you some of the newest and trendiest styles for any occasions in the next years. It's another amazing week in our fashion world to share with you. It's evident that people have one event or another every day, especially on weekends. And while you are at happy gathering, you must appear happy as well. We've rounded up the newest Ankara and lace combination styles to help you start the month off right. We adore our Ankara styles, and we love them even more when they are paired with lace to enhance their beauty. What are your thoughts on these stunning women and their stunning looks?